Hi there, yogis. Joseph Armstrong here. Welcome to 30 in 30, the self-practice habit. Welcome to day 2. So hopefully you've just completed your first self-practice. How did it go? You should have done 5 of Surya Namaskara A, followed by 5 of Surya Namaskara B, and then the 3 seated poses, all of which we covered yesterday. So if memorization was an issue, you have a couple options. You can stay on day 1 for a while, or you could just keep going because we will repeat these vinyasas day after day. So it's up to you how you proceed from here. That said, we're going to turn our attention now to the opening mantra of the Ashtanga yoga lineage. Yesterday we just took the sound Om to begin with. And today we're going to take that Om and we're going to add quite a bit more to it. So to begin with, I'm just going to call this mantra out to you. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see the words pop up so you can get a sense of what they look like, get a sense of what they sound like, and then by the end of this lesson, we're actually going to have you chanting them with me. So for now, just listening and looking at these words. Om Vande Gurunam Charinadavinde Sandar Shita Swatma Sukhava Bodhe Nishreyase Jangali Kayamane Samsara Hala Hala Mohashantye Abahu Purushakaram Shankachakrasi Darinam Sahasra Shirasam Shwetam Pranamami Patanjalim Om. So this mantra is in the ancient Sanskrit language, and to make it very simple, it is a recognition of all the teachers who have come before. So it uses the imagery of this guy named Patanjali, and Patanjali was sort of a figurehead of the yogic traditions. He wrote a book called the Yoga Sutras, and for the purpose of this mantra, we sort of idealize him, we mythologize him, and we make him the ultimate form of the teacher. And we pay our respect to the tradition and the lineage in that way. So we're going to do this mantra again. And this time, I'm going to call it out in sections. So I'll call out a little bit, and then you'll have the opportunity to try to say that section yourself. And we'll go through it once. And then if you like, you can repeat this video as many times as you want and start to memorize this chant. So you can take a comfortable seat. The hands can come to prayer by the heart. For now, leave your eyes open. Watch the words on the screen. Om Vande Gurunam Charinadavinde Sandar Shita Swatma Sukhavabode. Nishreyase Jangali Kayamane. Samsara Hala Hala Moha Shantye. Abahu Purushakaram. Shankachakrasi Darinam. Sahasra Shirasam Shwetam. Pranamami Patanjalim. All together now. Om. Thank you guys for tuning in to day 2 of this series. Tomorrow you can come back to video 3. We'll review what we've done so far and we'll add a little bit to the practice. So I'll see you guys then. Namaste.